EasyGlide Oval is a product that we can use for many different things. We have it in two sizes. The smaller size is mainly used for moving someone further back into a chair. The larger size is mainly used for moving higher up in bed and from bed to another bed. It's also used for placing slings, and it's really good for that since it's so flexible that it can slide in underneath the patient without any problem. And it's slippery on both sides, so it doesn't matter if you put it upside down. It's easy to keep clean, it's wipeable, so it will always be there when you need it.